Look guys, it's replant time. But we have, you're bringing her back out, ain't you?
Yeah, she hadn't planted in probably 10 years. Come down here, I thought, it's not going to be that bad. We only got about 10 or 15 acres right here. And I thought, we'll just use it. And then as I was getting the planter ready, guess what?
What?
Mosquitoes.
Oh boy.
And I thought, maybe the open cab tractor isn't the best thing for today.
You're going to have a lot of adjusting to do.
It's a new planter.
It's definitely not new. It's new to us. That's got a lot of issues.
That's right. We're figuring them all out.
Yeah, it's going to take you all day to plant 10 acres because you have to get off every 20 feet and adjust stuff. Just like that, we're back in the tractor running the disc. So I know you guys are going to be asking, we are doing some custom work for one of our neighboring farms. The guy that helps him full time actually had to go on vacation, so I'm here sort of filling in, I guess is a way you could look at it. And I am running our new tractor, pulling this disc and rolling baskets back there. So I'm going to be helping him out. I'm running the tillage for him on his ground, so that way he can stay in a planer tractor planting. And we also wanted to try out our new tractor, pulling something on a heavy load like this, like doing this tillage, so that way we can see how it's going to handle. And right now we're running about 5.5 miles an hour, and we're only using about 60% of the power of the tractor. So we can pull it faster if we wanted to. Yeah, that's what we've been doing, is back and forth. I got my auto steer set up so I can just, basically all I'm doing is turning around at the end of the rows and then letting the auto steer do the rest. It takes about 8 minutes to get from one end of the field to another on this specific field. I don't have to do much in this field. Supervision, and the farm helper's been running it a lot too. So do you like your auto steer?
Yes, I would like to see if it would stay like this for corn, plant corn, that'd be nice. We made some adjustments, and we do now have all the seed trenches closing. Like I said, this is the first pass we've ever made with this planter, and it was set way too shallow. We just sort of left it where it was, and so we adjusted the depth, and now we're getting good seed to soil contact, and everything's closing like it should. And this is the first time we've used these drag chains too. We've seen them, but we've never used them, and so you can tell your seed trench right here, and then your closing wheel, and then here's what that chain does. It makes it flat across there. Is that good or is that bad? I don't know. We've never used them, so I really can't tell you. But we're not taking them off for just this little bit of replant. We're going to run with it. Excuse me. Did you lose a wheel?
Well, there you go. There's the end of a good day. He sprayed all of our corn. He sprayed post spray. Then he started replanting beans. He almost got done. He had a few acres left, but then he ran out of seed. And I've been helping the neighbor all day long, running tillage, sucking all his diesel away. Is there anything else you want to add?
About time to go watch motocross.
Yeah, motocross started today, so we gotta go watch that. But that's gonna be the end of the video, so thank you guys for watching. Wait a minute before we end this video. After a long, hard working day of field work, the chicken houses say they need their fair share of attention. And let's just say a semi-load of feed gets split between 2 barns, and we're having 2 barns of feed clumps in the auger. And when you get these in the auger, it plugs your auger, and then you have issues. So now we're down here cleaning out these things. See, there's pile number 1, and then way over there is pile number 2. And it just happens to be the exact 2 barns that got the same semi-load of feed.
Yeah, that's just what's on the outside. That's not the ones we've dug out inside. And this barn, actually, it broke a feed line auger. Or, yeah, the auger. We had to fix it. Fun.
Oh, look at the magic falling out.